Hello there, and thank you for tuning in. I am Tish. I'm a career mom, wife, community service advocate, and a friend that loves to find other friends to connect with, talk about life, talk about work, talk about moving ahead, and also being the best in every room that we enter. If you like that kind of content or you're interested in it, go ahead and stick around. Like this video already, subscribe to the channel, and talk to me down in the comment area. Today, I'm not going to take you along with me for the week. I am going to do a day in my life. I have a few things going on, but I just figured I would do something, just switch it up a little bit this morning before I head to the office. I am going to an elementary school, may not be able to film the students, of course, for obvious reasons, but it's Read Across America week, and I am going to go and represent one of the organizations that I am a part of and read to the little ones. So that's what we're going to start the day off with. I have to go to work, and then tonight I am going to be on a panel for my sorority. The undergraduate sorority has invited a few women entrepreneurs to speak on a panel, so I will bring you along for that. Right now, let's get ready to go to the school. The wind is brutal, but I wanted to show you my outfit for the day. I'm going with a corporate girl look with this pinstripe button down, my little bee necklace, and I just threw on several brooches. Come on down so you can see the rest. Here is a vest. I am loving vests, so I've been purchasing them for the spring, and I have these wide leg pants on. So I went with all black. I hope I don't scare the kids, but I didn't want to change this evening for the panel. So I wanted to be business like all day long, and I have on a pair of black boots. So I'm gonna grab my trench and head out. All right, I am finished from reading the book at the school. The sweetest students, I read to first graders. I had an option for kindergarten or first grade, and I went with first grade. The book that I read was Chrysanthemum, and when the teacher picked the book out, because I let her do it, she's an expert at this, I was like, oh, I hope it's something that I can pronounce and that I can see, because I did forget my readers in the car. But everybody was so nice, and it was so sweet to have the students try to say chrysanthemum, and it was a really good read. So now, because that didn't take long, I am headed into the office to get the day started, and the wind is blowing absolutely ridiculous today. Taking a little break to talk to you. Have you heard or seen the viral chocolate, the Dubai chocolate on social media? Well, if you happen to hear about it or heard about it, and this is not sponsored, this is just in support of all of us who wanted to try the infamous chocolate. So I saw these at Costco for $11 and some change, like $11.69 or something like that. And it was definitely worth a try. They are individually wrapped. And what the Dubai chocolate is, essentially, it's a milk chocolate candy with pistachio filling and like phyllo crumbles, or it's almost like a wafer, but that's what it is. And I just had one. So I'm not going to eat this one, but I wanted to show you what it is. It's like the Dubai chocolate that we've been seeing go viral on social media. So it gives me like a peanut butter kind of vibe, with the exception of the little crumbles in it. They're kind of crunchy. Overall, it is a good treat. It is a good treat. I would definitely like to see this, try it in the larger bar, but this worked because, the suspense was killing me when I see everyone try it. But I would like to try the larger bar. I've also seen it where people have used a cup melted chocolate, the phyllo dough, and pistachio cream, and added strawberries and made that a treat. That looks so good to me. So that's up next. I'm gonna see if I can get one of the chefs that I work with to make that for me. I know they can. I probably could, but they'll probably have more fun doing it. But I just wanted to show you my take on, in my review that you didn't see me taste, on the miniature Dubai chocolates. Is this something that you would try? Have you tried it? All right. It is now, a text message got me. It is now almost 3 o'clock. I have to speak on the panel at 5, shortly after 5. So I have a few more things I'm trying to cross off my work to-do list before I leave the office, and have a good mind with doing so before headed to that opportunity. And I don't know if I want to keep my outfit on or if I want to change. I'm not sure, but I have about an hour to decide. All right, Dubai chocolate at Costco. This video may not be as long as the other ones, but because my weekend is going to be so jam-packed, usually I try to get everything wrapped up with filming on Friday, but because I'm not gonna have time, I'm already predicting that I'm not gonna have time to upload, edit, and do all those things and wait for it to do all the things. I can't wait till Friday to get you going. So I figured I'd do this day in the life, although you didn't get to see everything that I've done, but I wanted to get a video up to stick with my commitment of having a video up every Saturday. So I'm just bringing you along today with me, grabbing my chocolate. I keep this bag in my desk at work, and then I have the other one at home. I did buy 2. Hey friend. All right, I left work a little early so that I could go home, freshen up, and get ready to head to the panel. I don't want to run in there immediately after work or just with a few minutes to spare so that I wouldn't be frazzled. So I did decide to, I kept my outfit on that I had for work today. The only thing that I did was open up the vest, and then I added a belt. That's the only difference. So just to open me up a little bit, still gives, what it was giving, but I did add a belt and open up the vest. And now then I'm moisturizing my hands because I washed them a few times and I did not want to risk having ashy hands. Didn't want to do that. All right, I am at 62%, which I should. What I can do when I stop talking about this in this clip, I can go ahead and give my camera a little charge. I'm going to try to take you along there. Okay, I made it. So here's a little bathroom content.
Their businesses and they're thriving and they're very successful in the business. So before we get started, I just want to do a little icebreaker. So the icebreaker is called Big Boss Energy. So each panelist and you all, as yourself, you can introduce yourself as well. Each panelist will share a fun nickname they would give themselves as a CEO.
Oh my.
Y'all can have time to think about it. All the time to think about it. And that's the icebreaker. So whenever somebody's ready, yeah, something like that.
Off the top of my head, I probably would be the silent killer.
Whoa.
Okay. What for you?
I was kind of thinking the Undertaker. That's yeah, we're gonna roll with that.
Okay. Well, Taylor took mine because everybody always say I make it happen, so I would say just make it happen. Sorry, Taylor.
I'm gonna go with Miss Extra.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Y'all can go first. Anybody want to start off?
My name is Rachel Rayford, and I would be like Miss Always Ready.
Hey guys, look at these pretty ladies. Entrepreneurs on the rise. All right, it was a success, and I was on a panel with 3 other ladies, and they were refreshing, gave great information, and the students were also very warm and engaging. So now I'm getting ready to talk to my husband and try to see what we're going to eat for dinner tonight. But great panel. Friends, I made it home. Hold on. Huh? I made it home, and for dinner, I was talking to the husband, and he mentioned pizza. And there's a pizza place here that is so good. So went there, and everybody else had the same idea for dinner. Same exact idea. So I had to wait a long time, and I got to thinking, well, I could have brought my camera, but it was so packed in there with people eating, with people picking up their orders, and of course I had to stop and talk. Then I missed that opportunity, and I'm kind of glad, because I probably still would not have filmed. So I'm gonna wash my hands, eat dinner and salad, and I'm gonna try to upload this video so that it can post on Saturday, because after tonight my days are filled. So friend, if you are here at the end, thank you so much. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And until the next one, have a great day, and don't forget to do your absolute best in every room that you enter. All right. Wow. Is that my... that wind is crazy. All right, y'all. Bye.